Hey guys, it's GXBOB here once again to update you guys on these last fit LED pods I've installed a few weeks ago. I've been getting an influx of emails ever since the installation, ranging from theft to practicality. I think another person wrote, these look great off-roading, but they look silly as a daily driver. What do you do? I have an answer for all your questions. I am going to knock out a few birds with a couple of stones with this video. So let's get started. First things first, let's go ahead and remove these pods. Being careful, lift it up on one end and go ahead and place them on your windshield. Now let's go ahead and open up your hood, being careful not to hit your pods. Starting with your driver's side, let's remove this cover. Let's go ahead and punch these 4 retainer clips down, and let's carefully remove them without losing these retainer clips into your engine compartment, because that's what happens when you're not careful. Let's go ahead and go over to your passenger side. Same thing, 4 retainer clips. Let's remove this cover. Very careful, do not lose the retainer clips. They will fly out at you. On our passenger side, let's go ahead and grab our light. They fit perfectly underneath your hood, between the hood and the windshield. And let's go ahead and place them right here. Right here is where our cable is. Remember this plastic cover right here that just pops right off? Go ahead and route your cable back down through here. We're still on our passenger side. I'm going to grab this and I'm going to tuck it down here, and you have a whole entire metal fender well right here that you attach your magnet to. There you go. Right down there. Very secure. Held on with the magnet. Your cable's right here with some slack. It's not going to go anywhere. You're ready to put your black cover back on. Driver's side, let's go ahead and unclip this plastic piece right here and bring our cable back around. And let's go ahead and take our lights, bring it between the hood and the windshield, plenty of space. And let's go ahead and lodge it back down here. And you have a metallic fender well right here to go ahead and lodge your LED pod. Let me show you. There it is. Slaps right on top of your metal fender well. Now you can go ahead and put your plastic covers back on. Took me less than 30 seconds to do. Wow.